A very good evening to one and all. On behalf of the trustees, management, principal, HODs, staff, and the students of SC Engineering College, I extend a warm welcome to one and all in this virtual platform. To know more about our college, SC Engineering College was established in the year 1998 and it is successfully continuing its education service beyond 25 years of excellence. SC Engineering College has taken the forefront of technical education through its distinctly different and carefully nurtured standard. The college is approved by AICTE New Delhi and affiliated to Anna University, accredited by the NBA, and also has an A grade from the NAC and also an ISO 9001 and 2015 certified institution. The college believes in the preparation for life ahead in all earnest and provides every opportunity to grow beyond academics. In view of the same, many in-house programs like placement training, value-added courses, workshop, symposium, and guest lectures are also organized to make the student industry ready. We all have assembled here today to motivate and cherish the young minds present among us. At this juncture, I feel honored to welcome our resource person for today, Mr. Aruna Sri, Alumni SAC. Welcome you, ma'am.
Hello, hi. I hope you people are doing good. A second. Is everyone connected? There is no access for me to show the PPT.
Yeah, ma'am, you can start.
Sir, I have no access to share my document. Okay. No, sir, it's just showing that you're not allowed to share your screen. Yeah, okay, sir. No, sir, I couldn't share. It's not showing. So document share. So document share option வரல sir. வரல sir. நான் அதுல இருந்து join பண்ணேன் வரல sir. ஆமா. ஆமா சார். அதுக்குள்ள போனா இல்ல சார் ஷேர் ஆப்ஷனே வரல. யூ ஆர் நாட் அலௌட் டு ஷேர்னு வருது.
Excuse me, sir. Sorry for interrupting. மீட்டிங் ஹோஸ்ட் வந்து எஸ்ஏ இன்ஜினியரிங் காலேஜ் அந்த ஐடி தான் சார். அந்த ஐடிக்கு வந்து அந்த மெயில் ஐடிக்கு அனுப்ப சொல்றாங்க சார் அந்த டாக்குமெண்ட். அவங்க வந்து ஷேர் பண்ணுவாங்களா சார்? மெசேஜ் பண்ணியிருக்காங்க.
சார் டாக்குமெண்ட் ஷேர் பண்ணிட்டேன் சார். ஆமா சார். Hi, hello everyone. Today we are going to see about modern method of construction and BIM model tools implementation. Yeah, this is Harunashri Jaishankar. BIM definition. This is Harunashri Jaishankar. I completed my civil engineering in SA Engineering College, and in a campus I got selected in Mastro Steel Detailing, and I'm doing my master's in construction and project management in UK. These are all my research paper I've done in my past semesters, and my current dissertation work is on energy saving behavior based on city contextual factor. BIM definition. Okay. BIM, the full form of the BIM is Building Information and Modeling. BIM is a process of sharing and coordinating a digital information. So in design phase, it is called as procurement and construction. Beyond that, it is an operational and management. In 3D design model, we can just create a model and we can manage it using multiple technologies. So you can see here, there is one software called VREX 2.1 software, where you can, after modeling the document, you can just virtually walk through the document and see whether there is any missing item is there in a design phase itself, so that you can rectify the mistake in a design phase, so that it can eliminate errors and improve the duration of work and reduce the risk. It is a new software. VREX is an upcoming developing software. Next slide. So BIM implementation. BIM is not a software. It is a tool platform of so many software where you can just see that planning, authorizing, analyzing, and using. So in planning, there are so many softwares which you can use. The BIM requires various planning tools, authorizing tools, analyzing, and use tools. In our industries, we have some fascinating tools called Revit, Tekla, Vectorworks, and modeling. And these are all used for modeling purposes, and Naviswork and BIM 360s are used for collaborating and assembling purpose. You can make a note of these softwares. With the help of these softwares, we can plan, authorize, analyze, and use. So this is the BIM life cycle. It is divided into three processes, which is design, planning, and construction and operation and project maintenance. There are three processes. So in design phase, you can just model the document. Where I worked in a Master Steel Detailing, I worked and I do modeling in SDS2 and Tekla. So we can use it is a one of a BIM software. Okay, in design phase, you can just do the model, and with the help of Naviswork, you can detect the clash detection. You can easily find the where the clash has been done. With the help of Naviswork, it can be easily detected. So this is the design phase and planning phase. And later on, you can analyze it. In construction phase, you should schedule the process in a regular ways. With the help of BIM tool, you can easily schedule the process of work, the manufacturing, when it should be scheduled in a proper way, manufacturing, and it should be transported in a proper way, fabrication, everything should be scheduled properly. And later on, it is a operational and management process. BIM modeling and object libraries. BIM model supports an architectural drawing in various ways. With the help of BIM, you can easily do the design parameters, coordinate the modification, and and also generate the drawings. The model design workflow is a streamline which reduces the error, coordinates the design, and ensure the schedules are meet or not. Design information flows can be modeled and collaborated, can be planned in advance to avoid any design error. So this is a BIM model objective. You can easily see there are three zones. So the beginning of the building, you call it as a zone A. In the middle of the building, you call it as a zone B, which has 176 beams, 145 columns, and 2 to 3 panels. At the end of the building, you can easily see the zone 3. So the one building is divided into 3 sections. We call it as a zone A, zone B, and zone 3. Where in zone 3, you will have 2 blockings where you can easily find it. BIM software contains predefined parameters and design elements that can be used and reused to the facilitating the design, which means there will be in the software, there will be predefined parameter design. One templates will be there in the software. You can make use of the template because based on each companies will have their own templates. And also you can create your own templates, though which you can use. We can use it in the upcoming projects. You can make your own material, everything with the help of software. You can do it on your own. Next slide. This is the process of construction, design construction process. First of all, before designing, you should see whether the building is fully sustainable or not. And after seeing that, after meeting that criteria, you should just schedule all the process from design, manufacture, transportation, and then on-site work. And with the help of BIM, you can also estimate the cost estimation from design to on-site work. You can easily estimate all the costs. And later on, it is the manufacturing. After that, you can manufacture it, and then it has been implemented. This is the process of BIM construction. So modern method of construction. It is all about improved product and progress. The goal of this type of construction is improving the business efficiency, quality of the customer satisfaction, environmental performance, sustainability, predictability, and delivery timescale. MMCs are broadly based on the particular focus on a product. They are engaged people to seek the environmental through the better process. In MMC, in your civil engineering studies, you would have come across precast beam, prefabricated beams and columns. Just imagine if it is a whole building. Modern method of construction is something that we fabricate the whole building in the factory and then it has been transported. So MMC frameworks. There are 7 types of frameworks are being there. So from first 5 are off-site manufactured, which is pre-manufactured, and last 2 is on-site manufactured, on-site process. Firstly, it is called a 3D primary structural system. 3D primary structural system means the whole building. I mean, if it is a G+3 building, the first floor will be called 3D primary structural system. Here, you can use. Can you see the yellow color beam, which is called as a splendor beam? With the help of splendor beam, you can lift the building easily without any external damages. And you can place it on the on-site. This is the first type of MMC method. In MMC method, this is one of the major things. The second type is the next slide. Yeah, it is a second category is a pre-manufactured 2D print structural system, which has been basic frame of including walls. So in this category, the buildings are manufactured in 2Ds, which means walls, floors, stairs, roofs will be manufactured separately and then transported to the on-site, and there it will be connected. Enhance the consolidation and all the installation will be done in on-site. Whereas in the category 1, everything will be done in the manufacturing process. Only it is going to be placed there. In second category, it is just a 2D. It will be manufactured in 2D. All other installation will be done in on-site. Third category. So pre-manufactured compound, non-systemized primary structure, which is like it is moreover like our normal construction, whereas each and every beams will be manufactured in the on-site. Beams, columns, slabs, everything will be floor, slab, everything will be manufactured on the factory. Each and every element will be transported separately from the manufacturer to the on-site, and all the process will be done on the on-site. In fourth category, additive manufacture. It is one of the most happening technology in the current situation, which is a 3D printing models. With the help of a digital design and manufacturing techniques, various materials can be used and to print a part of a building on an on-site, which means after completing your designing process, the machine will be taken to the on-site and the parts of the building will be printed in on-site. For example, in India, there is one 3D printed house in Chennai, which is inside the IIT Madras campus, which is done by the tech startup called Tasta. This process can be done at the in fifth category, in fifth category, pre-manufactured non-structured assemblies and sub-assemblies. Sub-assemblies are volumetric padded assemblies, which means only a particular part will be manufactured in the factory, which means a whole bathroom or a particular kitchen, bedroom, only a particular parts will be manufactured completely in the factory, and then it will be transported to the on-site. Panelized means it is something like door set, roof set. In volumetric means it is a 3D set of things will be. In volumetric means the 3D type of object will be transported. In panelized, it is only 2D, which means door, roof assemblies, facades, everything will be comes under panelized. In volumetric, it will be like 3D. Summary. In BIM for design comes early within a life cycle. Yeah, we have gone through the BIM technologies and modern method of construction both together. So in modern method of technology, with the help of BIM, you can easily implement everything in the modern method of construction, from the process of design till the completion of the building. Each and every part can be properly aligned, scheduled with the help of BIM software. BIM is the latest tool platform where it is gathering all the softwares together to give a complete way of construction. There are so many softwares which are aligned with the BIM, so it will be more useful for you to learn in future. Thank you. These are all the reference which I gathered to collect this PPT. And thank you so much for giving this opportunity. Any questions you can ask me regarding the studies? And I'm very sorry for the beginning. It was a bit trouble. Any questions regarding studies and subject? You can ask anything. I personally advise if anyone planning to do their master studies, kindly work at least for 1 year in our place so that it will be more useful for you to shine more. If you work in a company, it will be more useful for you to understand the technology. But if you come as a fresher, you will be like, you can't connect it or correlate with the work experience and with the studies. But if you work for a year and then take a step for a master's, it will be more useful for you to do your master in a better way.
Thank you, ma'am. The session was really amazing and we can acquire your knowledge.
So
Thank you
thank
so
you,
much.
ma'am.
So it's time for quiz. The participants are requested to join the link which is provided in the chat box.
So, ma'am, can you please stop your screen? Hello. Okay. Okay. Thank you so much. So, dear participants, kindly open your browser and type the URL as www.kagu.it. Sorry for the interrupt. Kindly give 5 minutes. I will arrange some other one's screen. Please give me 5 minutes. Sorry for the inconvenience to all. I couldn't share my screen. I tried lot. Sorry for the inconvenience. Today I couldn't contact my quiz section. Sorry.
I'm grateful to the esteemed delegates of the webinar for their presence and effort in making this event a great success. I also extend my sincere thanks to honored resource person and the heads of department, Humanity and Science, CSE, IT, ECE, EEE, AADS, AAML, Civil Mechanical, CSBS, and Cybersecurity.